In this video, I'll show you multiple methods to fix the black screen issue on your smart TV, whether it's LG, Samsung, Sony, or any other brand. Let's jump right in. Method 1. Power cycle the TV. Unplug your TV from the wall. Press and hold the power button on the TV, not the remote, for 15 to 30 seconds. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Then plug the TV back in and power it on. Method 2. Check the remote and power light. Press buttons on your TV remote to see if the screen responds, like volume or menu. Look for a standby/power light on the TV. If it's on or blinking, it means the TV has power. Try turning it off and on with both the remote and TV's physical buttons. Method 3. Test with external devices. Connect a device like a Fire Stick, game console, or DVD player to your HDMI port. Switch input using your TV remote, input or source button. If external video shows up, your screen is working. The issue may be with a bad input source or software glitch. Method 4. Adjust backlight settings if menu shows. If you can see the menu faintly or hear sound, your backlight may be the problem. Use the remote to navigate to Settings Picture Backlight and increase the value. Method 5. Reset the TV, if possible. If you can access the settings, go to Settings, General Reset, Confirm. If you can't see the screen, check your TV's manual for a hard reset button combo, usually involving holding buttons on the TV itself. Method 6. Inspect for hardware issues. Shine a flashlight at the screen. If you can see faint images, the backlight may be broken. Also check for loose cables inside, especially if it's a DIY repair. Thanks for watching. If any of these methods helped you, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more smart TV troubleshooting tips.